What's up everybody? Jesse from VMPPerformance here again. You saw what we planned to do in the last video, the first ever GT 500 2020 swap into a 15 to 17 Mustang. I got the engine off of the pallet. We're getting ready to set it on the subframe. Justin and the guys are in the office setting up cal files right now. Let's get started. Hey Jeremy, you want to be a part of history? Yeah. Everybody. Oh. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so we pulled the crank trigger off the back of this GT 500 engine. They're a little bit different from the 15 to 17 style. We're going to be using the 15 to 17 style electronics to run this engine actually. So we're going to go ahead and swap over the crank trigger and the crank sensor, and hopefully that does it for us.
What do you think, Mike?
I think it's pretty cool.
We closed the hood yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
We just crawled out from underneath it.
I think it's gonna clear just barely.
I think it's going to be right in the middle of our beautiful little window.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, it is. Wow. Cool.
Alright, so since we're using Gen 2 electronics on Track Attack with the Predator engine, the one thing we have to change is the cam reluctors. You see, the GT 500 Predator engine uses the Generation 3 cam reluctor style. We need the Gen 2 style to work with our electronics. So we got some cams here that we're going to stick in. They should be the same duration, lift, everything, same specs. We're going to put them in and see what that gets us. So there it is, the Predator engine for the first time in a 15 to 17 Mustang GT. A little bit more work, we'll get it running for you, then we'll see what kind of numbers it does, we'll see what kind of burnouts it does.